Exposing the secret snorers in the animal kingdom. Snoring isn't just for humans. All mammals can snore while they sleep. Yup, even your pets can saw logs at night. But here's the kicker. Not all of them do. Imagine your cat snoring like a tiny chainsaw. Or picture a lion snoring after a big meal. Snoring happens when there's an obstruction in the airways. If your dog snores, maybe it's dreaming about squirrels. Why don't all mammals snore? It's their anatomy and sleeping positions. Some animals evolved to sleep in ways that prevent snoring. So next time you hear snoring, remember, it's a mammal thing. Keep it light and fun. Like and subscribe for more fun facts. Catch you next time.